A Tale of the Copy Ninja, Kakashi Hatake. Part 1, The Prodigy and the Tragedy. Kakashi Hatake, born into the renowned Hatake clan, was destined for greatness. His father, Sakumo Hatake, the White Fang of Konoha, was a legendary figure whose reputation echoed throughout the village. Yet, fate had a cruel twist in store for the young prodigy. In the face of overwhelming odds, led to Sakumo's ostracization and eventual suicide. The weight of this tragedy bore down on Kakashi, shaping his worldview and driving him towards a cold, calculated approach to life. Driven by a desire to prove himself and honor his father's memory, Kakashi excelled in his ninja training. His exceptional skills earned him a place in the Ambu, a covert organization within Konoha. There, he honed his abilities, becoming a formidable force in the shadows. Part 2, The Copy Ninja. A fateful mission with Obito Uchiha and Rin Nohara changed the course of Kakashi's life forever. A tragic accident claimed Obito's life, leaving Kakashi devastated. In a desperate act of preservation, Kakashi transplanted Obito's Sharingan into his left eye, gaining the ability to copy jutsu. From that moment on, Kakashi became known as the Copy Ninja, feared and respected for his unparalleled skill. He joined Team 7, mentoring Naruto Uzumaki, Sasuke Uchiha, and Sakura Haruno, guiding them through their challenges and shaping their destinies. Kakashi's journey led him through countless battles, from the Chunin exams to the 4th Great Ninja War. His strategic thinking, unwavering determination, and mastery of jutsu proved invaluable in protecting Konoha and its allies. Part 3, A Complex Individual. Beneath the stoic facade, Kakashi grappled with the weight of his past, the loneliness of his existence, and the constant strain of using the Sharingan. He sought solace in his work and the company of his friends, but the scars of his childhood ran deep. His relationship with Obito, a bond forged in the crucible of tragedy, was a constant source of both pain and comfort. Kakashi's mentorship of Naruto provided a sense of purpose and a connection to the future. Despite his struggles, Kakashi emerged as a symbol of hope and resilience. His unwavering belief in the power of friendship, the importance of teamwork, and the enduring nature of the human spirit inspired those around him. Part 4, The 6th Hokage. After the 4th Great Ninja War, Kakashi was elected the 6th Hokage, becoming the leader of Konoha. His wisdom, experience, and unwavering dedication to the village served him well in his new role. As Hokage, Kakashi faced the challenges of rebuilding a war-torn village, fostering peace, and guiding the next generation of ninja. He continued to be a mentor and a symbol of hope, inspiring those who looked up to him. Part 5, A Legacy of Hope. Kakashi Hatake's legacy extends far beyond his time as Hokage. His unwavering determination, his unwavering loyalty to Konoha, and his unwavering belief in the power of human connection continue to inspire generations of ninja. He is remembered as a symbol of hope, a testament to the human spirit's ability to overcome adversity, and a reminder of the enduring power of friendship. Kakashi's story is a tale of tragedy, triumph, and the enduring nature of the human spirit. It is a story that will continue to resonate with readers for generations to come. Part 6, The Early Years. Kakashi's childhood was marked by the shadow of his father's legacy. Sakumo Hatake, the White Fang of Konoha, was a revered figure, but his tragic demise had cast a dark cloud over the Hatake clan. Kakashi, eager to live up to the expectations placed upon him, trained relentlessly, striving to become as skilled as his father. His early years were filled with rigorous training, solitary practice, and a constant sense of pressure. Kakashi's childhood friends, Obito Uchiha and Rin Nohara, provided a much-needed respite from the intensity of his training. Their camaraderie helped him to maintain a sense of normalcy and joy. Part 7, The Ambu Years. Kakashi's exceptional skills led to his early promotion to the Ambu, a covert organization within Konoha. There, he was exposed to the darker side of the ninja world, witnessing the brutality and sacrifice required to protect the village. His time in the Ambu was marked by dangerous missions, grueling training, and a constant sense of isolation. Kakashi learned to suppress his emotions, adopting a cold and calculating demeanor. However, beneath the surface, he struggled with the moral implications of his work and the loss of innocence he experienced. Part 8, The Sharingan and its Impact. The transplantation of Obito's Sharingan into Kakashi's left eye had a profound impact on his life. The Sharingan granted him the ability to copy jutsu, making him a formidable opponent on the battlefield. However, it also came with its own challenges. The Sharingan required immense chakra to use, and the constant strain on his eyes took a toll on Kakashi's physical and mental well-being. Moreover, the Sharingan was a constant reminder of Obito's death, a painful reminder of the loss he had suffered. Part 9, The 4th Great Ninja War. The 4th Great Ninja War was a turning point in Kakashi's life. As the leader of the allied shinobi forces, he faced the most challenging test of his career. He fought alongside his former teammates and friends, facing off against powerful enemies like Kaguya Otsutsuki. The war was a grueling ordeal, both physically and emotionally. Kakashi witnessed the deaths of many of his comrades, and he was forced to make difficult decisions that would have lasting consequences. However, he also experienced moments of triumph and camaraderie that strengthened his resolve. Part 10, The Sixth Hokage. After the war, Kakashi was elected the sixth Hokage, the leader of Konoha. His experience, wisdom, and unwavering dedication to the village made him a natural choice for the position. As Hokage, Kakashi faced the challenges of rebuilding a war-torn village, fostering peace, and guiding the next generation of ninja. He implemented reforms, strengthened Konoha's alliances, and worked to ensure the village's prosperity. However, the role of Hokage also brought with it immense pressure and responsibility. Kakashi struggled to balance his duties as a leader with his personal desires for peace and happiness. Part 11, A Legacy of Hope. Kakashi Hatake's legacy extends far beyond his time as Hokage. His unwavering determination, his unwavering loyalty to Konoha, and his unwavering belief in the power of human connection continue to inspire generations of ninja. He is remembered as a symbol of hope, a testament to the human spirit's ability to overcome adversity, and a reminder of the enduring power of friendship. Kakashi's story is a tale of tragedy, triumph, and the enduring nature of the human spirit. It is a story that will continue to resonate with readers for generations to come. Part 12, The Hatake Clan. Kakashi's lineage can be traced back to the Hatake clan, a respected family within Konoha. The Hatake clan was known for their exceptional skills as ninja, and many of its members served the village with distinction. Sakumo Hatake, Kakashi's father, was a particularly renowned figure, earning the nickname White Fang of Konoha. However, his tragic fate had a profound impact on the clan's reputation. Kakashi's relationship with his clan was complex. While he was proud of his heritage, he also felt a sense of pressure to live up to the expectations placed upon him.